Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be visiting 159 gardens. Well, kind of. So today we're here at the Pea Patch, which is just a community garden right here in Seattle. And we actually discovered it a few years ago and we've been coming back ever since. It's such a really cool garden because it is, like I said, it is a community garden. So there's 159 different plots. That mean 159 different gardens for you to look at. So I really want you guys to pay attention to how people plant things together. You know, we have a lot of vegetables and flowers, and for those of you who don't have a lot of space, this is a perfect place to get inspiration from. I know I get a lot of inspiration from it, just because, like I mentioned, it's, people get really creative with their plant combinations here, and I just thought it'd be really fun to share this space with you. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking in today's video. I just want to show you guys around, kind of pan over a lot of the different gardens, and there are some beautiful dahlias in bloom right now, so I'm super excited to share that with you. So let me get behind the camera and we will go check out this place. Look at this beautiful garden. You can see that they've done such an incredible job at planting flowers, herbs, fruits, vegetables. This is so pretty. And check out how they're drying their onions. That is so smart. And look, it doesn't take up any room at all. And it's being done outdoors, which is fantastic. This is a really special plot here. All right, guys, well, that's it for today's garden tour. I hope you guys picked up some inspiration. I know I did. And it's always really fun to see how people utilize every square inch of their garden. And I think everybody in this garden, they really do a perfect job at, again, utilizing all areas of their garden. And make sure you guys check out your local community gardens, because I know they're everywhere. And it's always fun to go and visit and see how people are, getting creative and planting different things together. I know I always draw inspiration for them, so I hope you guys did too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So today we are here at the pea patch. So I promised you guys a really, no, wait, start over. Warm up.